Hi there, students. To inscribe, a verb. An inscription, the noun, a countable noun. Okay, an inscription is, for example, words written in a book. So I dedicate this book to my beautiful daughter. Okay, an inscription. I inscribed the book so that she would know it was for her. An inscription, you could cut an inscription into a surface. So on a gravestone there will be an inscription with the name of the person and probably when they died, and maybe a few small words. Or an inscription, the words on a coin or a medal or a monument, yeah, that's inscribed. You've got specific words cut into it so that people can see. It's the dedication. It tells you who it's for. Okay, so to inscribe, to write, to print, to engrave words or letters on a surface. And maybe with a brief message, with a brief dedication as well. Okay, so to inscribe, to write or carve words or symbols, yeah, as a permanent record or as a formal record. Yeah, so I won the world championship and they gave me a cup inscribed with my name. Yeah, there was an inscription that had my name written on it. Okay, so it's like a dedication, particularly a book. So I inscribed the first copy to all of my loyal subscribers. Yeah, it's to mark a surface with characters, and then you've got this inscription. Yeah, it's a monument or a book. It's the action of inscribing something, writing something on a surface. Okay, so to inscribe, to write an inscription on something. Okay, so yeah, maybe you could autograph it, a book, and say who it's to. Yeah, so you're writing or carving your name on it. Yeah, you could inscribe on the back of a photograph a few words before you give the photograph to someone. Yeah, it's like a dedication. The book is inscribed to my mother from William Shakespeare. It's a dedication. Yeah, you've signed it. It's something that says this is for this specific person, and it's to commemorate this specific moment. That's the idea. Okay, imagine a plaque on a monument, a big flat piece of stone on a monument, and then there is an inscription carved onto it. Yeah, so that you know why it was there, what it is commemorating. You have an inscription on a gravestone where somebody is buried. Yeah, or coins normally have an inscription of the king or the queen or the ruler or the emperor who was ruling at that time. You could have an inscription at the front of a book as a dedication to someone. Okay, so this is the idea. Let's see. Formality, to inscribe. Fairly formal. I'm going to give it a 6.5, maybe even a 7 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or a formal writing. An inscription, I think 6 in formality. You could just about use inscription informally, yeah, but probably better in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from in scribo, in, on, inside, and scrivo, to write, so effectively to write on. It's inscribed, it's been written on. So enough. if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Inscribe, inscription.